Are you a gay or lesbian couple who want to marry, but your family or friends strongly object? If so, please call 1-800-96-JERRY.
Welcome to my show. I'm Jerry Springer, and my first guest today is Latoya. Now, why are you on my show, Latoya?
Because I cheated on my husband.
You cheated on your husband? Well, why are you cheating on your husband?
Because he just drinks some fishes and cheats on me.
Now, what's your husband's name? Is it Joe?
Yeah, it's Joe.
Well, we got Joe on the show here. Come on out, Joe.
You know I love you. But there's another man.
There's another man? Who is this other man?
It's my brother.
Your brother? Your brother? Isn't that a little sick?
It's a man. What to expect?
Oh, yeah. So why? What did I ever do to deserve this? Refishing? Refishing?
Now we've got your brother backstage. Now let's get him out here and see what he's got to say about this. It's come to the end of the show, ladies and gentlemen, and I know we didn't actually help any of our guests with their problems today, but we sure did have some fun, didn't we, ladies and gentlemen? Laughing at them. Stupid dickheads. Well, I hope you get your problems sorted out. Bye.